How to buy a product from Alibaba. Visit the Alibaba website and either sign up for a new account or log into your existing account. Use the search bar to find the product you want to buy. You can also browse through categories or use filters to narrow down your search. Once you've found the product, compare different sellers based on factors like price, shipping options, and ratings. Click on the product listing to view detailed information, such as product specifications, photos, and seller policies. If you have any questions about the product or shipping, you can contact the seller directly through Alibaba's messaging system. Once you've satisfied with your seller, select the quantity you want to purchase and click on the Buy Now or Place Order button. Enter your shipping address or any other required details for delivery. Select your preferred payment method from options like credit card or debit card or bank transfer or Alibaba's secure payment system. Double check your order summary, including the total cost and shipping details, before proceeding to payment. Follow the prompts to complete the payment securely. After payment, you'll receive a confirmation email with your order details and tracking information. You can track your order's progress through your Alibaba's account. Once your order arrives, inspect the product to ensure it meets your expectations. And by following these steps, you can successfully purchase a product from Alibaba and have it delivered to your doorstep. Thank you for learning how to buy a product from Alibaba with us. Start shopping for quality products at competitive prices today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.